कोई बाय एंड सेल रिकमेंडेशन नहीं है एंड आई एम नॉट अ सेबी रजिस्टर्ड एडवाइज़र। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
There's a lot of there's a lot of buzz about it, so I thought let me try my luck with it.
Yeah. See, in crypto, there are two things that we have to follow. Actually, crypto and stocks, they both use the technical analysis only, but there is somewhat difference because stocks sometimes follow some kind of fundamentals and they do have a business, right, in stocks. But in crypto, we don't have a business currently, right? It's a kind of digital currency, right? It's a kind of software which works on blockchain technology, right? So it's not like a business like stocks. We have businesses, right? In crypto, there is no business. It is just used for trading purpose, buy and sell, and all, right? Okay. So in stocks, like we have large cap, mid cap, small cap, right? In crypto also we have similar kind of things, but the logic is different. The way how we trade in crypto, it's different, right? So we should always try to like buy low and sell high, right? But in stocks,
So that's the strategy.
but in stocks we can follow two strategies, right? Buy low, sell high, and second is buy high, sell higher.
Yeah.
So
Sir, one basic question I had. So crypto and Bitcoin are the same?
Bitcoin is a type of crypto. Bitcoin is a type of crypto. Okay.
Okay, fine.
1 second. Let me open that software. Then I will show you 1 second.
And we can't use it via regular trading accounts that we have now.
No, we have to use a different apps or different accounts, right? So those accounts should be recognized by FIU, which is Financial Intelligence Unit, which comes under Ministry of Finance. Right? So there are certain.
So this happened. It's been legalized only recently, right?
It's not legalized. They are charging taxes, but it's not like legal tender in India. But we can trade, but we have to pay the taxes on crypto. Right.
So the moment we're paying taxes, which means the government is okay with it, unlike how it was before.
But we cannot use it for legal tender. Like if we want to purchase anything, we cannot use crypto. Like in other countries, they are using crypto for legal tenders. Like they want to buy groceries or they want to do shopping and all, right? So they use cryptos in many countries. But here in India, we don't have a legal tender. Right.
That's okay. But that's what we are doing. This trading is money only, right?
So we are doing trading, and for whatever profit we have to pay taxes to the government. That is it.
Okay.
So the second thing is that there are certain, there are many apps actually, but there are certain apps which are recognized by FIU, right? The FIU comes in the Ministry of Finance. So we should be using only those apps or those websites to trade in crypto. Okay.
Okay.
So they are the first one is CoinSwitch, CoinSwitch, CoinSwitch.
WITCH, okay.
Second time.
What's the tax we are paying for crypto, sir?
Flat 30%.
Oh, that is too much.
But so the way you earn in crypto, it is also like that, 100%, 500%, 1000% also like. So the way we are earning, same way we have to pay the taxes also.
And how much are we paying for stocks?
Stocks is less. I think it is for long term it is 12.5% and for short term it is 20%.
And crypto is 30.
Yes.
Mutual funds?
Mutual funds also same thing like long term and short term, 12.5 and 20%.
Okay, same.
Yeah. See, the difference here is that in stocks you can do a set off, right? Like if you have a gain of let's say 1 lakh and against that you have a loss of 50k, then you have to pay the taxes only on 50k. 1 lakh minus 50k, which comes to 50k. So you have to pay taxes on 50k only. But here in crypto, it's not like that. Let's say you have earned a profit of 1 lakh and you have made a loss of around 20k, right? So then you have to pay taxes only on profit. So the losses won't be set off against the profits.
Oh.
Right, like that.
Hmm.
Because the crypto will also move like that, right? 300%, 500%, 1000% also, if you have chosen the correct one and at correct price.
Okay.
Right. So the moment you are booking the profits, then only you have to pay the taxes. But if you are not booking the profits, like you are keeping it in your account, at that time you don't have to pay. The moment you are booking the profits and you are transferring the money to your savings account, at that time you have to pay the profits. Correct.
Which means if I have to pay, for example, if I have to pay 20 rupees as tax, it gets deducted by itself and then I get the remaining, or?
No, you have to show an ITR. ITR. Once you file the ITR.
Okay. How we do it in this one, right? Shares and mutual funds.
Right, right.
So, but while getting, I'll get the full amount, no?
Yeah, you will get the amount. See, that is a bit risky. See, here in stocks, they are being controlled by SEBI, right? But in crypto, they don't have any control, right?
Okay.
Kind of open market, right? So they don't have any
So it can be manipulated also easily.
Yes, it can be manipulated, and the risk is high actually in crypto because they are not controlled by
We
SEBI.
don't have regulators, right?
We don't have regulators. Only the thing is that they have certain apps which are regularized by Ministry of Finance. That's it.
Okay.
Like we have CoinSwitch, and the company name is Coinbase. The app name is CoinSwitch and the base company is Coinbase. Okay. And
Okay.
next we have Binance and Bybit. But the one I use is CoinDCX. So you can use that one, CoinDCX.
CoinDCX.
Yeah, CoinDCX. Coin, COIN, CoinDCX.
Yeah.
I think I have told you earlier also on the chat. You were asking sometimes back which app we are using. I have told you that, I think.
I have heard of Binance from a different person though. I haven't heard any of these.
Binance, actually earlier we had access in India, but now they are not allowing the new users to create the account in Binance.
Okay.
Two apps are currently which are being used: Coinbase and CoinDCX.
Okay.
So Coinbase is having a bit of high brokerage. CoinDCX have a bit of less brokerage. So, and the GUI and interface is quite good in CoinDCX as compared to Coinbase.
Okay.
So in CoinDCX you can do technical analysis and you can plot the graphs, you can use the indicators and all, right? So that is why CoinDCX looks pretty better than Coinbase. Okay.
Okay.
So 1 second, I'll just log in and I'll show you. See, once you open this page, it will show you all the details about the app, right? Here you can see that it will show you the FIU compliance. Yes. FIU compliance. Complying with the Indian anti-money laundering laws. Certified by global standards. See, there are many apps which are not regularized by FIU and ISL. Also, we don't have to use those apps.
Okay.
So there are many apps they are running behind that, and they are doing scams and all that. So don't use those. Just focus on this CoinDCX or Coinbase.
Okay.
So you have to create a account in this, but I'll show you. Let me log in and then I'll show you. So Bitcoin is basically a type of crypto. Right? So apart from that, there are many cryptos. Like in stocks, right? We have variety of stocks, right? Similarly, here also we have variety of cryptos large cap. See, Bitcoin is a part of large crypto, large cap crypto.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And then we have, you can say that penny cryptos. We call penny stocks, right? So here we have penny cryptos, means you can also call it as meme cryptos, MEME. Meme.
Ah.
So they are highly risky. They are kind of like hero or zero. Either your money will become zero, or it can make you like 500%, 1000% like that, right? So it's a
Okay.
hero and zero, right? So the strategy that you have to use to buy memo cryptos is like buy low and sell high. So you always have to wait for a correction, and once they come near the demand zone and all, then only you have to trade in those meme cryptos, because they are highly volatile and they are being manipulated by the various operators, right? Because cryptos are being traded all over the world, right? So there are many countries which are using it as a legal tender also. As in India,
Okay.
we are not using it, but there are many countries they are using it as a legal tender. So the cryptos are very highly volatile, right?
Okay.
They are
And how you do your analysis based on the same candles strategy?
but there is a different thing that we have to follow here, that I will show you.
The page looks very complicated though.
That I have plotted this technical charts, and that is why it looks to you like that. I'll just close everything. Okay, now you can see below the coin wallet, right? Yes.
Huh.
Here you can see coins wallet, correct?
Huh.
So these are the cryptos, right? Adventure Gold, Alchemy, Anim Coin,
Okay.
Anshe, Bakery Token. So these are all cryptos. There are many cryptos. There are thousands and lakhs of cryptos, right? See, so many are there. Right? So what you can do is that how you can do is that first you can go to the. I actually use the app mostly, so website it's a bit complex actually. That's it. Okay, yeah, here you can see on the left panel, right? ETH USDT. ETH means there is a crypto called Ethereum. You might have heard about it.
Yeah. Huh.
Ethereum.
Yeah, these are those electric vehicles, right?
No. Ethereum is it's a crypto that's totally different. That vehicles and all. See, here they don't have any business. So they are just softwares which are being.
Okay.
They are just softwares which are being traded
Okay.
all over the world, buy and sell. That's it, right? So they might have some business at the back end. So because they are using apps, right? They have certain softwares. So those softwares are being used by certain companies, or they might be providing some kind of services. So that is different. So you don't have to see the business, what business they are doing. You just have to follow the pure technicals here. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can see that Ethereum and Bitcoin. So Ethereum and Bitcoin is most highly traded cryptos, and they are also called as large caps. And in terms of crypto, you can call it as a white paper coin.
Okay.
So there stocks we call large caps or blue chip. Here we call it as a white paper crypto. Okay. So Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these two you can use the same strategy that you use in stocks, because they are kind of large cap, or you can say that blue chip crypto. So you can use a similar kind of strategies here also, like same kind of patterns, support, resistance, demand and supply. Same thing you can use in these two cryptos. But apart from that, in the other cryptos, you have to follow the buy low and sell high, and you should always use the monthly or weekly chart. Okay. We have to use it for long-term investments.
We can't use it for short-term gains.
Short term it can give you, but you have to wait for a correction. Then only you should buy it. See, you have to pay 30% taxes. If you are okay to pay 30% taxes for a small return, then it's fine. But what I think is that because since you have to pay more taxes, then you should wait for more return.
Might as well wait for more.
Yes. So these are all the cryptos here. You can search here link AVAX, SUI, Aster, LTC, WBT, BNB. All these are, there are so many cryptos, right? So this is up to you how you choose it. I will show you one example. 1 second. Let me check one of the cryptos. Okay, let me show you first how the chart of Bitcoin looks like. So this is a chart I have selected. This is a Bitcoin chart, okay. You can see the price here, 121,968. So this is in dollars, US dollars.
USD.
And this I have selected the weekly time frame, okay.
Okay.
So how I traded Bitcoin, I'll show you. So I traded around this area, okay. I traded around this area, and because I saw one pattern which I have explained to you, I think during stocks also, inverse head and shoulder pattern. Yeah. So I saw this pattern here, and here you can see there was a breakout here, correct? This was a breakout.
Yeah.
So I saw this pattern somewhere here, so I entered the Bitcoin here. But I used to buy like long back also, like 3 years back also. I started in SIP and all, and once I get around 60-70% return, then I will sell it. So I normally trade for like that, like 6 months, 1 year, like that. I don't trade it for like short term, like 1 month or 2 months, right? I trade it for long period. I have to pay taxes, so that is why I wait for more gains. Okay. So that is why we have selected the weekly chart here, okay. So here, as you can see that there is a inverse head and shoulder formation here, right? So how you calculate the targets here? You can calculate the targets by seeing the high and low price, right, of this pattern. So high price is how much? 1,10,000, okay. And low price is 80,000, correct?
80.
So 1,10,000 minus 80,000, it is coming around 30,000 points, right? So we have to add this 30,000 to 1,10,000. So it will come, the target is coming around 1,40,000 US dollars. Right.
So when do you enter?
You can enter here whenever there was a breakout, okay. And second is you can buy more whenever there is a retest of breakout. So this was a breakout.
So when you say breakout, then ideally the price would have gone out, no? When it is a breakout.
Yes, it went out here. You can see it. See, there was
it went up, no?
Yeah, from here it went up. So this is a breakout candle, the green one.
So you basically bought it when it was high, already high.
You can buy it because it's a large cap, right? So this you can use, you can buy at high also.
Acha, okay.
Right. But I saw it here only. I saw this pattern here only. So I started the SIP at this level. Because I was not sure when it is going to take a breakout, right? So I started my SIP here, and whenever there was a breakout, I added more quantities.
So when it is towards a resistance, you kind of enter, right?
Yeah. See, there are different traders who use different strategies. Either they can, if they want to buy big, they can enter on a breakout, or they can enter on a breakout retest. So this is a breakout retest zone, right? This area. They can enter here also, right? And some traders who are safe traders, they can start entering here slowly like that. So I used to do a SIP of 1,000 per week, right? So I did a SIP for 1 year, and after that I got around 40-50% return. Then I sold it.
Okay. So now just a question here. Now since it is very volatile, you don't have regulators here. You saw this pattern, but what guarantee you have that in the future also is going to be following the same pattern?
So
Since
there
you
may be
already
different
got into
patterns.
S&P.
See, there may be, see, in Bitcoin, it was inverse head and shoulders, but in Ethereum, there was a different pattern. There was a rounding bottom pattern, right? So you have to follow the same technicals. You have to follow the same technical analysis here as well, even in Bitcoin, even in Ethereum. So
Okay.
you should know how to find out. But the only difference here is that we will see the weekly or monthly chart. Focus on weekly and monthly charts only here. So there we used to check like 1 hour also, 1 day also, right? So here, since we are doing it for long term, then we don't have to see hourly chart or 30 minutes chart. We should try to focus on weekly and monthly charts.
Okay.
Right. So now you can see that the Bitcoin is at a resistance area. So this is again a resistance here, right? 1,21,000, correct? So now the traders who didn't enter here or here or here, they can wait for this breakout to enter. Because as per the pattern, we know that the target is around 1,40,000, and currently it is 1,26,000 approximately, 1,25,000.
So you're saying it can go up till 1,40,000.
Yeah, and after once it reaches this price, after that we'll see if there's any other pattern getting formed at that level. Then we can buy more, or we can wait, or we can book some percentage like that. So for now we have to wait for this target 1,40,000, because as per the pattern it is showing us like that.
Okay.
Right. So see, what I suggest is that in any crypto, use small quantities only, like Bitcoin. And see, you have to decide your capital first. See, for me, like I trade only with 1 lakh in cryptos. I don't have more capital I have not put more capital in crypto, because I know it is risky and we have to pay more taxes also, right? But we wait for more returns here. So
Sir, my agenda is very clear. I will do, if I enter, I will do SIP only. I will not do anything lump sum.
So SIP only is the best option in cryptos. Don't do lump sum in crypto. Even if you see the pattern also, then also you don't do it, because I saw this pattern, then also I didn't do lump sum. I started only the SIP only, because they are very, very highly volatile, right?
Yeah.
If you see on daily chart, I'll show you. There was a very high volatility in Bitcoin. I think it is not showing in USD one. There was one. See, there are two categories, USDT and INR. The Bitcoin is available in two categories, USDT and INR. So you have
what should we enter into?
You have to trade only in INR, and you have to see the chart of USDT and trade INR.
Oh, okay.
See, you can see there was a high volatility in INR. You can see this candle, the lower one, right? This candle. So same candle you won't see in USDT. I will show you the USDT chart. See this, I have plotted the 1 day chart of USD INR. Okay, INR, Bitcoin INR. Chart of Bitcoin INR. Now I will show you the chart of Bitcoin USDT. Second. So now you don't see that candle here, right? That long candle, that hammer was there in INR one. Here it is not there. So you have to see the chart of USDT, but whenever you are buying, you have to buy in INR. Hello? I think your screen is freezed. Hello?
I guess it went I have some network issues. I'll just shift my network.
So what you can do is that you can install this app on your mobile first. CoinDCX.
Okay.
Okay. can install now. You can try installing now only. If you get any issue, I'll help you. Because everything is there on the app only.
Do I have to give any documentation?
You have to do everything online. They will ask for Aadhaar, PAN number, and bank account number. That you can do online only.
Okay.
So try to do it now only, so that I can help you if you get stuck anywhere now.
Coin TCX, no?
Yeah, Coin TCX, yes.
I don't think if I have my documents available on the phone immediately.
No, you can enter your Aadhaar number and then it will ask for OTP and all. You can do like that. Because it's a bit tricky to do it. If you get stuck in between, then it's a bit like difficult. So that is why you can do it now only. It will hardly take 5-10 minutes.
Yeah. I just agree with the terms, no?
Yeah. And you can activate security on your app, right? There are two types of securities. One is fingerprint and other one is the pin, right? So you can activate both the security features on your app.
Okay. I haven't reached that yet.
No, I'm just saying, like once you install it, after that you can do it.
Yeah.
Any IPOs you have applied?
The recently what you gave LG,
Okay.
I haven't got the confirmation yet.
Okay, VWork you have applied? No, right?
VWork I couldn't. I had some family emergency at the time.
Okay, so it's good that you didn't apply because I think it will not open in profits.
Is it? it's asking me to enter the Aadhaar to verify the Aadhaar, but I am not getting the alphabet option. Only numbers are showing.
Aadhaar will have only numbers now.
Alphabet and number. Oh, okay, you're right. I have been
Alphabets will be
thinking
there in
of
PAN
this
card.
one.
Alphabets.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Why am I at? I don't remember my DigiLocker pin.
Asking for DigiLocker.
Yeah. For other verification. We can give consent to use Aadhaar for validation, right?
Yes. And after that, you have to add your bank account details also, so that you can later you can transfer your money from bank to the app.
Okay.
So here at the top now, if you see on the top, there are options, right? Block, markets, convert, community. So you have to go to markets.
Okay.
So once you go to markets, you can see all these things here, right? Top gainers, top losers, top trending, top volume.
Okay, it's the same thing how we have in this one.
Yeah,
Kotak.
right. So for if you want to invest or trade in MEM cryptos, then you have to see only this top gainers, right? Focus on top gainers only. Because top gainers means there is more volume in this, and some operator or some big money is trying to enter in these cryptos, right? So we have to see the charts one by one. Here it will show you 4 or 5. So now it is showing 4 top gainers, right? So you have to focus on only these 4 top gainers, and you have to see the chart one by one, and whichever chart you find is good, based on that you can put some money. Like I'll show you this one.
What's the minimum, sir?
Minimum 100 rupees you can put.
Okay.
Normally I put like 1000 or 1500 only in MEM cryptos, and once it goes to like 2000, 2500, because these MEM cryptos can go beyond 200, 300% also in a day.
Okay.
Even in US market also you can see like 5000, 1000% gains in a day. So recently one stock gave me around 5000% return.
Oh my God.
In 2 days in US market. I invested around 3000 rupees and I got a return of around profit around 16,000 in 2 days.
Oh, lovely.
So these markets are very good for if you have a good technical analysis and all, then you will get very good return in these, because they don't have a circuit breaker there. In India stocks we have a circuit breaker, maximum 20% the stock can move in a day, right? But in US markets they don't have a limit, even they can move to 1000, 1500% also in a day.
And can we buy and exit on the same day?
Yes, yes. Right. So here once I chose that, now it is showing me the charts here, right? So now you can see that there is a lot of small candles you can see here, right? That means there is a lot of small accumulation going on in this crypto.
Yeah, my meeting got ended.
Yeah. So so once I click that crypto, so I now can see the charts here, right? So now how you have to use in meme cryptos, right? So you have to see the accumulation. You can see small candles are moving here, right? Very little candles.
Sir, MEM crypto, you said these are basically your penny stocks types, right?
Penny stocks.
But those are not very advisable to enter, no?
If you know how to analyze, they are very good to enter, because you can earn very good profits in those meme cryptos.
Okay.
But you should know how to analyze it properly, because it's totally a different way to analyze these meme cryptos.
Okay.
So what you should do, first you should go to monthly chart, okay? Monthly chart. So now you can see that, and there is an option of indicators here, okay? So what same thing as we have in Zerodha, similar kind of features they have used here also. I have to plot volume. Okay. Now I have plotted volume, right? And now you can see at the bottom here in the charts. These are all-time low, right? So see, this crypto has made a high of how much? 0.15. Okay, this is the high, right?
This is high.
0.159. It made a high of this, and this crypto was launched somewhere in 2023 maybe. So at that time it made a high of this one, and after that they started pump and dump, and after that it started going down only, right? You can see.
Okay. So just 1 second, there's somebody at the door. Just
okay.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
Yeah, no problem. So you can see that they have done some kind of pump and dump at the top 0.159 level, and after that it started going down and down only, right? So after that, you can see small candles started building up here. Means most of the sellers has gone. Most of the sellers has gone. If you see those kind of small candles in monthly chart, that means most of the sellers are gone, right? So that
basically
means,
they're exiting, right? That's what it means.
They have already exited here, and now most of them has exited. Most of the big players have exited, right? So now after that you can see the volume. They have started coming in green also, right? You can see two green candles here, and then very less volume here, right? As compared to this area. Very less volume here, and you can see small candles. Means somebody is accumulating it, is buying it in small quantities, right? And
so 1 second, but it is red, right? The candle is red.
That is fine. Red is fine. See, there are two things: volume and the candle color, right? If volume is more, means volume candle is red, and this chart candle is also red. So in this red, there are two types: small candle and big candle. Okay. If the candle is big, that means some big player is selling it. If the candles are small, that means they are not selling. They are just trying to manipulate something. They are selling and then they are buying again.
Oh, okay. But this was not there in stocks, right?
So here you have to see. So there also, if we can monitor that, if we want to find some multi-baggers in stocks, we can use similar kind of analysis there as well.
Okay.
Like for long term, 2 years, 3 years, something like that. But here, this is very important to use it, because we are doing it in a very high risky instrument and highly volatile instrument, right? So here, waiting is more important. So we have to wait here. We should not buy at the top. We have to wait for these kind of scenarios, like small candles in volume, and here also small candles, right?
So this will kind of help us understand that there will be a future movement in it, and there will be a rise in it.
So there is a probability of future movements now. As you can see that the chart candles are almost gone, right? Almost negligible, and now suddenly you can see a green candle here.
Frankly speaking, if I would see this, I would never enter it.
So that is why
it's not very welcoming.
So this is a way to enter in cryptos. In stocks you may not enter. In stocks you may not enter, because we have to see the volume and many other things in stocks. But here in crypto, this kind of chart is having more probability. See, we are buying at the bottom, means the risk is very less, right? Here the risk reward is more. Risk is less and reward is more, right? So if we enter here, the crypto can go till here. This is the first resistance, right? The crypto can go here, and then maximum it can go here also. So now you can see that a very small green candle is getting formed, means it is still in accumulation phase, right? This crypto will give breakout only when you see a big green candle here also. Then only at that time it will give a breakout. Otherwise they will keep on accumulating maybe for 1 year, 1.5 years, I don't know, like for how long they have been doing like this. See here they already have been doing since 1 year. Since 2004 they have already been buying this crypto, right? So now we can see a big green candle here, but here also we want a big green candle in volume. Then only we can expect a big movement in that.
So 1 second. What's the difference between the below chart and the above one?
This is volume.
Which year is it?
So this is volume.
Okay, this is the volume. And the above one?
These are the candles. Price.
Okay.
So we have to see
All
both
right.
price and volume. So this is a
Okay,
combination of price and volume, right?
We don't have this in stocks, right?
It is there because I do analysis. It is there, but we don't use that because we used to trade there, right? So they are
Okay.
safest options. Stocks are safe. That is why we don't have to do much kind of deep analysis there. Here in crypto, they are highly volatile, and also we have to do a kind of deep analysis here.
Okay.
Right. So there will be a breakout only when there will be a big green candle in the volume. Okay. So this was the chart. Now I will show you one more chart where there was a big breakout. There was a coin which I traded. Hippo. Okay. Hippo. So this is the name of the crypto. Okay. See.
Sorry, what's the name?
HIPPO.
Hippo. Okay.
Okay. You can see that they have done a pump and dump at the top. Correct. 2.5 rupees. And after that it started coming down here. Now it is like accumulation going on, small candles, right? Some red, some green, but green bars are more as compared to the red ones, correct? And there was one more big volume. So I entered at this level. Now I'm still holding. I'm getting around 40% return here, but I'm still holding. I'll wait for some more time. I'll see like till what price they can go. Like first resistance is 0.5 and second resistance is here 1.5. So we have a very good reward ratio here. If you invest even 1,000 also, then your risk is less and reward will be more. Because from 0.12 this crypto can go up to 0.5. That means 4 times return it can give you. Right. So that is why we are doing this kind of analysis in meme cryptos. Right.
Okay.
Because see here you can see a green candle here as well and here also. That means there will be soon be a breakout here.
Yes.
Okay. So one more coin I will show you. Okay. Okay, let's go to markets again. So let's see this one. The next one's ZEC. Okay. See.
This is not in the app. This is in the website.
App. This is there in the app also.
App only.
This I am showing you in the website, but this is there in the app also. I do most of my analysis in the app only. So I don't open laptops. I use only in my mobile.
Okay.
So now you can see the same concept here.
There's a breakout here.
See, a lot of accumulation happened for how many years? Approximately 2 years.
Almost 2 years, no? Rather 3.
They started rather 3 years. They started in the mid of 2022, and the breakout is now only in September 2025, right? So you have to keep patience. So these you can see small candles here, right? So that means there is some big players are buying this, right? And suddenly there was a big volume, and here also you can see big volume, right?
So how do you get these kind of lovely charts? Because when I was trying with the stocks, even I was not able to get the kind of charts you were showing me.
You have to spend time. You have to spend time on that.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So, but you don't have to buy here now. This is the wrong time to buy.
Not a right time to enter.
So, see, for stocks we can buy here also, but for cryptos, no. We have to buy only these kind of charts.
Okay.
Right.
Fine.
Right. And then once you buy here, then maybe you can sell some quantities here, and next is the resistance level. So this is the resistance level. So the entry point was around 1500, and now you can see that it has gone to 17,000. 10 times.
Huh.
So if you have
It's
invested
quite a lot, huh?
1,500, then it would have become around 15,000.
Correct, yeah.
So that is why you have to choose. You have to enter only in this area only.
Okay.
And sometimes it will happen like after this area, you may see a big red candle also, and in that case you have to exit. If you see a big red candle.
Okay.
Right. So now there's a big
Okay.
green candle here, right? Now somebody will come and sell it, and
Yeah, you can expect a red one here now.
that one, the red one has to be bigger than the green one.
Okay.
And then only there is an exit. If the red ones are small, right? Let's say if they start forming small red ones like this, then no need to exit, because they are just trying for small ones to exit that trade.
Okay. So if you have a bigger red one, then
you have to exit.
Then you'll
100%.
kind of again you'll have that small accumulation. Then again that's the right time to enter, right?
No, then you have to wait for that. You have to wait. But now, if you see a big red candle which is more than the green one, then you have to exit. 100% you have to exit. Whether you are in loss or profit, you have to exit.
Okay, fine. Sir, sorry, I'll have to hop off now.
Okay.
Is it okay if we can continue this?
Yes. You can tell me.
Sorry,
whenever
I had to cut the
you can let me know whenever you want to do the next one. We can do that. No problem.
Hi, I'll text you, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, Ekta.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Good, fine. How are you?
Going good, sir.
So, anything you want to ask from the previous session? Any doubts you have?
Sir, nothing much, but I had just invested in this Bitcoin only, BTC.
Mm-hmm.
Again, not much. I just invested around 400, but it's going down, no, sir.
Let it go down, nah. Don't worry about that.
Sir?
It will go down. It is not FD, right? That always it will go up.
Yeah, but I thought crypto was picking up, right?
See, whatever asset or whatever things it will be, it will go in zigzag, right? It will not always go up.
Yeah, that's right.
Because this is a trade, right? So in every trade, there is a buyer and there is a seller, right? So the buyers will be buying the instrument and sellers will be selling it, right? If buyers are more, then the instrument will go up, and if the sellers are more, the instrument will go down. Okay. So this is what it is, behavior of each instrument, whether it is stock or a crypto or a forex or whatever it is.
Okay.
So don't worry about that. Continue the SIP every week you are doing, or how is it?
I actually thought maybe I'll have the second class and then start the SIP, but then in between I just invested, once I just did 100 while I was on the call with you. Then after I invested another 300. So not much. I thought let me just get more information from you, then I'll start SIP.
See, there are two ways to invest in crypto. Either you do SIP or you can buy at every correction, whenever there is a correction, right? I have already explained you about the supply and demand, right? So every demand zone you can add some quantities. So that is one more way to add or to invest in crypto.
Okay.
So it is up to you what way you want to use it.
Okay.
Okay, so till what point we have finished?
You just gave me a walkthrough of how do I identify the crypto.
Any
Like you were just walking me through the coin DCX.
Okay. So, any specific patterns I have completed or I have not yet started? Do you remember?
No, not really. You just showed one example of how you chose this one, Bitcoin.
Okay. You can see my screen.
Yeah.
So this is a good, actually good area to invest, right? It is near the demand zone. I have explained you earlier in the stock classes, right? We have supply zone at the upper Bollinger Band and demand zone at the lower Bollinger Band, correct? So this
So one
is
second, I'll just take a step back here. So you went to all, right? So what you said is you look in the USD section, but then I invest in INR, right?
Yes, you won't be able to invest in USDT because we are transferring the money in INR. Yes.
And the coins that I look into, I should look under INR only, no?
The charts you can check, you have to check USDT chart.
Okay, fine.
So here I am checking the USDT chart, okay? So the price is currently 1,09,000 US dollars.
Yeah.
I think last time it was somewhere 1,25,000, correct? Maybe. Okay, so now you can see that. So now you have to do your basic analysis, how you analyze anything, like whether it's a stock or a Bollinger or this one, crypto, right? So now I have selected the weekly chart, okay? Here is the weekly chart.
Yeah.
Since you are doing the investment, so focus on weekly or monthly chart only. Don't check the hourly or daily chart, right?
Okay.
So as I have explained you, the lower Bollinger Band is the demand zone and upper Bollinger Band is the supply zone earlier, right? So the price is near the lower Bollinger Band. So here you can put some money, right? You can start investing some percentage. And let's say you want to invest around 10,000 in gold, then what you can do, you can invest around 2K here, 2 or 2.5K here. It's like that you can.
Okay.
And then after this, you have to check the monthly chart.
Oh, I check weekly and monthly.
Yes, both the charts, because on both the charts, demand and supply zone will be different. See, on weekly chart, it is showing at the lower Bollinger Band, but in monthly chart, if you see, it will show you near the middle Bollinger Band. See, it is not yet reached near the middle Bollinger Band, right?
So how would you take a call?
So here there is one support, right? I have plotted this 9 moving average. 9 moving average means the average of 9 months, last 9 months, right? Means
you have set it up like that, the graph.
Yes, so I normally use 9 moving average.
Okay.
So 9 moving average means if I have selected monthly chart, that means 9 months. If I select weekly chart, that means 9 weeks. If I select daily chart, that means 9 days.
Okay.
Right. So since I have selected monthly chart here, right? So 9 mm is 9 months. Previous 9 months. So this is the average price of last 9 months. Here.
1 minute. Isn't one candle per month?
Yes, one candle is of 1 month, but I am talking about the moving average, right?
Okay, fine.
This is an indicator. I have explained to you, remember when we were doing about stock?
Yeah, I get it, huh?
So I have selected 9 moving average, means the average of last 9 months. So this is the price of last 9 months, correct?
Okay.
So what you can do is that you can use this particular thing and try to invest at different levels. Like some part you can invest here, some part you can invest here, and the last part you can invest here. Okay. Let's say to invest 10K, right? So what you can do is that 2.5K you can invest here, right? Now, means now. Some 2.5 or 3K, once it comes near the middle Bollinger Band, at that time you can invest, and remaining whatever is left out around 4K or 5K, that you can invest once the price comes near the lower Bollinger Band. Since I am checking the
So,
monthly.
but I have a doubt. Now here it's coming below the resistance, right? That's what the steps that you've marked over here, the markings that you've shown, it's like still coming below the resistance. It's not touching the support, right?
It has already touched the previous month, right? Here you can see the red candle. It has already touched here, right? So that's okay because see the price of Bitcoin is 1 lakh US dollars means 1 lakh into 88,000. 88 into 1 lakh. So this is how it comes in INR. And we are only investing 2K. So 2K doesn't matter at that high level of price, right?
Okay. Now my thinking was, now what if I start getting a green candle over there and it again starts moving up?
Now you can see a green candle. The last one looks like green.
Yeah,
right?
It's just coming up, right? The green is just coming up now.
Because now the month is started, but the month will end on 30th of November. So at that time we have to see whether the candle is green or red. Now
Formed or not? Okay.
Now it is starting only. It can be red or it can be green. It will keep on changing until 30th of November. The final candle will be formed on 30th of November, right? So either you can take the decision on 30th of November, or you can take now also, because it is near the support line.
Okay.
Fine. So
Yes,
you can invest some parts like that. You can invest, right? Or you can do the SIP of weekly or monthly, whatever you feel some amount, and that you can do.
Okay.
Because we don't know whether the Bitcoin will come here or not, right? We don't know, right?
That was my question.
So that I will tell you. 1 second. Here, if you draw a trend line, now you have to see the historical data, right? Now I am going to draw a trend line here, right? You can see I have drawn a trend line. Means every time Bitcoin is taking support near this blue line, whatever line I have drawn, right? I'll remove the remaining ones so that it will be clear, right? Now you can see.
How did you draw that line?
I have taken all the support levels from the historical data, starting from 2023 till now.
Okay.
So I have to join minimum 2 points, and now you can see I have joined 3 points. 1, 2, and 3, right? So this is the area wherein Bitcoin is taking support all the time, right? This is the support. Second time it took the support here. Third time it took the support here, right? So based on the historical data, we will think that next time also the Bitcoin should take support on this line somewhere on this line only, right? So that may also be the best time to do some investments.
Okay.
Okay, see, this is all probability that we are checking, right, based on the historical data. The first use case was totally dependent on the Bollinger Band, right? This second use case is dependent on the trend line, right? So you have to check all the probabilities in the chart. Since you are putting your money, you have to check all your probabilities. Whatever knowledge you have, whatever things you know, you have to draw on the chart and see, right? Find this clear trend line, right? Now third thing, as you can see the historical data, it has formed the rounding bottom here, right? Here also it has formed a small rounding bottom pattern.